everyone, we're going to find the length of the arc for our parametric equations over the interval 0 to 1. This is the formula we're going to use for the arc length, and we first have to differentiate our x and our y. So if I take my x and do x prime, this is going to be 3t squared divided by 3. That's just going to be t squared. And then for this piece here, y prime, that's just going to be 2t divided by 2, which is t. So now let's fill in our formula for our length. That's going to be from 0 to 1, and we have the square root of t squared. Now we have to square it, plus t squared. This equals the integral from 1 to 0 of square root of t to the 4th power plus t squared. Now what we want to do is go ahead and factor out a t squared. So we get 0 to 1, and we're going to factor out a t squared. So you have t squared times t squared plus 1, and the square root of t squared is t. So now we have the integral from 0 to 1 of t times the square root of t squared plus 1. So to save some space here, I'm going to go ahead and integrate this. We're going to use substitution, and this all should be dt. I always forget that. dt. All right. Now let's go ahead and use substitution for this. So we have the integral from 0 to 1 of t times the square root of t squared plus 1 dt. So let's let u equal t squared plus 1. So du equals 2t dt. Now we need t dt, so let's divide both sides by 2. So 1/2 du equals t dt. Now we can substitute that in and write this as 1/2. I'll pull that out front, and we have the square root of u du. All right. From here, if we want, let's go ahead and substitute in our values here. If t is 0, here, then my u is going to equal 1. So I'm going to change my lower limit, and if t equals 1, this is my upper limit, then I'm going to get my u equals 2. So that way, 2. So that way I can go ahead and integrate this. So now when you integrate this, you're going to get 1/2 times, and u to the 1/2 power is going to end up being u to the power of 3/2 times 2/3. Or divide by 3/2 the same as multiplying by 2/3. And then we're evaluating this from 1 to 2. All right, this just equals 1/3. So we get 1/3 times u, and u is going to be 2, and that's going to be the square root of 2 cubed minus 1 square root of 1 cubed. All right, this equals 1/3 times the square root of 8 minus 1. And the square root of 8 can be written as, so let's write 1/3. Square root of 8 can be written as 2 square root of 2. And then we have minus 1. And a better way to write this probably is just to move this 3 in the denominator. So this is your length right here. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.